What's up, Tommy?
I'm finna wait myself.
Hey, look at this motherfucker. Look at this motherfucker. He look.
Let y'all know, no
Look.
excuses.
He said he 230 pounds. This nigga 280. Look. Y'all see what we got out here, nigga? We got that motherfucking scale. You see what I'm saying? We trying to be accurate with this motherfucker.
Heavyweight. Heavyweight. All these little skinny dudes want to call me out. Come on, I need heavyweight people. I race anybody in heavyweight.
Okay, Mike Tyson. All right, come on. Get on that scale. Let's see how much you weigh.
Let's see how much I weigh.
Look, we taking the shoes off, too.
Shit got serious.
Let me see. Can y'all see that? That's 240 pounds.
You got that? Show me my body. Y'all this shit.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody's holding this shit down in the back.
Look at this motherfucker. Look at it.
Heavyweight right here. Anybody my weight?
What his little golden nuggets?
So anybody my weight, I weigh 240.
240?
Y'all seen it? No excuses. Anybody want it, come get it. BDMS for the win.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga. You probably like 260 with them big ass shoes. And we got the gun here. What kind of gun is this? I don't even know how to pronounce this shit. Bushnell, I don't know. But this motherfucker accurate. And y'all see where the fuck we at. We on Anna's. Stay tuned. Okay, you think Tommy's Minibike fast?
Yeah.